So hi everyone, I am Kayyum, and in this video we will going to see that how to use alias and an alias command. So basically alias is a shortcut for a lengthy command that we can use in a Linux machine. So let me show you that for example if we want to see what is inside this script, we can simply simply use the cat command, then the script name, and it will show us the content inside the script. Okay, so for so now let's make an alias for the same. So for that we will use a space name to show the cat space dot sh command. So now we had made a space as an alias, and instead of using cat then script name we will use space, so it will show us the same result as of cat command. So in this way we can use the alias to make a shortcut for the command, and now we can remove the alias using the unalias command. Now it won't work as before. Okay, so it won't work. So in this way we can use alias. Similarly, if you want to make alias for the commands, like you can see on the screen that we just execute df-h command so that we can see the space usage of each and every mount point on the system. So similarly, we can use the alias for this disk. So for this we will use df. Okay, so df will show us disk-h. Okay, so df. Okay, so in this way we can you can see. Okay, we can see that df is actually working the same as df-h. So in this way we can use the alias to make a shortcut for a in the command. Now we can similarly unalias this command. So now it won't work. Okay, so it won't work. So in this way we can see that. Thank you very much guys. Hope it will be helpful for you.